What's up? I'm Spencer Foresman, and I just got a new bike, so I'm doing a bike check for you guys.
At the Skatepark in Tampa.
Alright, this is Skatepark Tampa. I'm riding a Sunday Soundwave with a 20.75 top tube. What I really like about these frames is that this is like the strongest frame in BMX in my opinion. Before I was riding Sunday frames, I was breaking frames like within a couple months. These things last me a long time, and you have a lifetime warranty, so if you break it, you get a new one, which is awesome. The wave tubing makes it dent resistant. It's on the top and on the bottom,
which comes in handy when you're always pulling the eject like me. You never have to worry about those dents. Look how huge that dropout is. Look at it. Look at it. It's huge.
Handlebars are Sunday Chris Child's Jackal bars. I think they're like 29 wide and 8.85 I think rise or something like that. Look it up. I mean, they're good. Lifetime warranty, Sunday. I got ODI extra long grips. This is my first time trying to ride these. I usually put like tape on my handlebars so like I don't like mess my bars up, so I figured getting long grips would help like protect on like flipping over on nose manuals and stuff because I suck at them. My bar ends are Odyssey par ends. Those are the best plastic bar ends ever. These will last you like a year or something. No lifetime warranty.
The stem I'm riding is the Sunday freeze stem. What I really like about this stem is that it will freeze your handlebars from freaking moving on you, which is nice when you're riding BMX. And it's like half the price of all the other stems. It's like 35 bucks or something. So, great stem.
I've had this carbon fiber spacer seriously since I started riding. My buddy Gio gave it to me and it's held up ever since, and it's like the perfect spacer, so I've used it on every bike. Odyssey headset, it's great. It's an Odyssey headset, it works good. I don't know. I got Bmx Forks. They're super good for riding BMX. I think they're actually Sunday Octave forks. Lifetime warranty. So yeah, you gotta get them. So my front wheel, I'm running an Odyssey anagram hub laced to a G-Sport birdcage rim. The anagram hubs are awesome, no complaints from them. I've been running them for like 3 years. So the spokes are just Odyssey spokes. I just laced this wheel actually because I got new rims. And
Well, I really like these nipples.
my first time trying them out, but they come with this this tool right here, and you can't strip like it's like impossible to strip the nipples with this tool. Like you slide it on, and then like it goes over the spoke like that, and then you just turn it and stuff. Look at that. And it's awesome. I got these in the front and back. Alright, also have Odyssey anagram hub guards, obviously. If you, whatever wheels you run, just try to get the same hub guard that's built for that wheel so you don't have any stupid problems. I'm running 3 Odyssey rifle pegs, I'm pretty sure. Most important part of these pegs is they're steel, because you gotta have real pegs. Steel is real. You gotta have these like awesome sounds, like Check out this awesome sound right here. Look at my bike. Awesome. I just like steel pegs. I mean, a lot of people say plastic slide better, but really like half the part of grinding is like, I really like the sound of grinding and like metal chinks and stuff. So I'm keeping steel forever. I got plastic Odyssey Jcpc pedals. These pedals will last you like, these are probably like 4 years old or something. These pedals are awesome. The only bad thing about them is that the metal pins will destroy your jeans and your shins. So maybe wear shin pads if you have them, but they last forever.
I have an Odyssey mid-bottom bracket as well as the Odyssey 2-piece Thunderbolt cranks. The cranks are fully heat treated and there's a lifetime warranty on them. Super strong, so you don't really have to worry about breaking them.
My sprocket is a Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, 28 tooth with the guard. You gotta have the guard when you're sprocket casing like I do. Like I sprocket case on the regular, so that'll help me. That helps keep my sprocket straight. The chain I'm running is a Odyssey keychain, and what I really like about this is that you don't need a chain breaker, and it's really easy to pop your chain on and off because you just put an Allen key. There's like a certain like master link that has an Allen key that you just put it in there, twist it a couple times, and it pops right off, and it never gets loose either.
I have a Sunday seat clamp that came with my frame as well as a Sunday pivotal seat. Both are fabulous. Fabulous!
Odyssey pivotal seat, I don't even know which one it is, but I mean, if you look at the design and you want this seat, just look for the Odyssey look. What?
That seat's squishy.
Yeah, squishy, so when you land on your ass, hemorrhoid reduction for sure, because it's so soft. So if you're having problems like landing on your shitty seat, get this seat, reduces your hemorrhoids in half.
Wow, that actually felt great because my seat was so soft. Like, I'm not even in pain right now.
In the back, I'm running an Odyssey anagram laced to a Ride BMX rim because it's perfect for riding BMX. It's actually a G Sport bird cage. Odyssey anagram rear hub guard to go with my hub because it'd be stupid to have something else. And then another freaking tag. I got Demolition Momentum tires. These tires overall work really good on anything. The only problem with them is that the sidewalls are a little weak. But other than that, I like them a lot, so I'll keep running them.
The tires may be made out of like basketballs because they just dribble so well.
Is that it? That's my bike check. Like the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Alright, I just want to give a big thanks to my friend Phil up at Full Factory in Austin, Texas for helping me out with my bike. And I just want to let you guys know like why I haven't posted a video in like over a week. I had school finals and stuff, and I had to drive like 1,100 miles to this like weird action sports like cheerleading camp and stuff. They have like cheerleading and gymnastics, but there's a couple skate parks, so I should post a couple videos for you guys, so stay tuned and alright, bye!